Hey guys, this is Molly with our first official unboxing of our Swatch Club. I've got June right here. I'm very excited to take a look at what's inside. So I'm gonna open this with a pair of embroidery scissors, but I won't tell if you won't. It's very fortified tape here. We take the safety of your swatches very seriously here at Mood. We wanna make sure they get to you nice and safe, and that you have lots of problems cutting open the tape. There we go. All right, it's nice and bougie, just how I like, with a good white box and brilliant gold. You open it up and, oh, hello, darling. You get a good pamphlet in here that just goes over everything in the Swatch Club. A postcard advertising our latest challenge. And of course, what you've all been waiting for, our swatches. I'm just gonna go through about 5 of them just to show you guys the different varieties of swatches that you can get in this exclusive kit. The first one I wanted to take a look at was our navy red and white crane printed cotton. What I love about this fabric is I feel like red, white, and blue fabrics can be too Americana, but this one is just so subtle about it that it's so beautiful. It's got a really nice drape. It falls nicely. It's breezy, but I think it's very flexible, you know. And it is see-through, you know. You can see it when you look up into the light, but I don't think you can see right through it if there's no light under it. This product is $11.99 per yard and has a 52-inch width. And I'm thinking a button-up for this fabric. One of those button-ups that are like tied at the waist, kind of like I have my Mood top here today, and full cuffed up all the way up to the elbows with a nice little collar, maybe paired with some dark blue navy high-waisted shorts. We have some on Mood Society that I think would look beautiful with this fabric. The next fabric I want to show you is a personal favorite of mine, like in the entire Mood warehouse. I have a swatch of this on my desk that I just kind of stare at when I'm like need my inspiration for writing. This is our Blush Baby Sequins on a mesh background. So obviously this fabric is going to be see-through. It's a mesh background, but it really glistens so beautifully that I don't think anybody will be looking through the fabric. It's $34.99 per yard, which is, it's a sequin, so that's pretty good, with a width of 53 inches. I always want to get really elaborate with sequins. I mean, I would love to see this as a pantsuit with like wide leg pants and a fitted blazer. I think that would work beautifully. But because it's a sequin, you can go really simple and still look absolutely stunning. So I think this would look great as a sheath dress with no sleeves and lined with like a white or gold charmeuse underneath. Similar to the Rowan dress on Mood Society that's just been put up. Yeah, I think that would be rad. My next fabric is the pink and gray floral and herringbone print. Right now on the runway, you're seeing a lot of this mixed print kind of thing. You see it in either like 2 pieces where one piece is a tropical floral print and then the other is a checkered, or you see it like this, where the fabric features both of the prints, which I think is really cool and very fun, and it can take a more professional look and make it more fun so that when you go to work in a fitted blazer with this fabric, you don't feel boring, you feel beautiful. And I mean, that's the point of dressing up and looking good, right? This fabric is $13.99 per yard. And for me, I think I'd want to go, with the drape of this fabric, I think I'd want to make a fitted blazer with maybe a nice flare out at the waist and a pencil skirt with a flare at the bottom, a nice little flounce. Worn over like a nice pale pink charmeuse pussycat blouse. I absolutely love those. I'm obsessed with it. Like a good pseudo-professional look. I wanted to get a little more fun with this next fabric, so I of course went with the avocado print. This is our avocado UV protective compression tricot, and I love the feel of our tricots. They're thin, they're opaque, and they're stretchy. It's everything you want in a tricot. And who doesn't love avocado? You eat it on toast, you eat it with your eggs, you eat it plain. It's amazing. And then guacamole, of course. It just makes you think of all the good things that you want out of a good green avocado. This fabric, I mean, it would make an amazing bathing suit. Obviously, who doesn't want to go to the beach in an avocado swimsuit with like a high-waisted bathing suit with like a sweetheart neckline or even a crop top? I think that would be really cool too. It has a heavier drape because it's a tricot. They do tend to be a little bit heavy, but it's so thin. It's perfect. This one is $19.99 per yard with 60 inches in width. And it has really excellent stretch and retention. I don't know if you can see that, but I get so nervous when I stretch my fabric that I'm gonna pull it and pull it and pull it, and it's just not gonna come back from that. But this fabric, it really does come back. Take it where it needs to go and it'll go right back. And the last fabric I wanna show you is our amboge cotton and polyester knit piqué. So I love a good knit piqué. They have like such a wonderful texture to them. It's cool to wear them because they're soft, but they're textured. It's really quite wonderful. This one has a bit of a relaxed drape, kind of loose, fluid. It's very nice. And it is $15.99 per yard with a 72-inch width, which I think is really cool. I love this color, this amboge. It's almost like the minion yellow in Pantone's newest well, I guess it's not new anymore, but like a year ago, they put out what colors were gonna be big, and minion yellow was big. This is it. This is a big fabric for 2018 fashions. And it's in this pamphlet right here. Let's see, as a Deadpool cosplay. Well, a character from Deadpool. We've got Negasonic Warhead here, and she looks really rad in a jumpsuit made from this amboge piqué. This fabric is $15.99 a yard with a 72-inch width, which I think I might have said already, but who doesn't need to know that information? All right, that was our Swatch Club kit for June. Make sure you subscribe to the Swatch Club so you can check out August and all the rest of the months of the year. Subscribe to us on YouTube so you can check out the rest of our videos, from product videos to trend reports. And don't forget to tell us what you think of our videos. We want to show you what you want to see. Thank you for checking us out and have a nice day.